Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join eVision, join job.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit Yadav. I am from Lucknow. I completed my BTech from Sri Ram Swarup Memorial Group of Professional Engineering College. I searched for a job in long term. Then one of my friend told me eVision. He suggested to join. Then I enrolled here. In eVision, I have joined job internship on 6th June. So talking about eVision is a IT recruitment and consulting company. I had joined eVision as a full-day job internship under the guidance of IT manager. The internship program consists of Windows Administrator, CCNA, routing and switching, and domain joining, Outlook and Outlook troubleshooting, etc. So talking about eVision teacher is very good and supportive. The end of session they provide mock interview, so we have to improve our communication skill and confidence level. I got placed in DXC technology with the package of 2.6 LPA. So thank you eVision.